Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have the job update on Bharat Electronics. So the Bharat Electronics, that is BEL recruitment for the year 2026. So if you see in their portal, so they have many roles. So in this video we'll discuss about the two different roles they are looking for. So basically it is for the project engineer 1. So in that they have two different positions, the pre one as well as within that SSI 2026 and the pre one for the TSCS for the year 2026. So you can go to this and they have the complete document or the PDF provided for the same, and if you go to this document you'll get the clear idea about this. So if you can see, they have basically it is for the role project engineer 1 for the NS, that is S&CS. So in that post there are two different posts. One is for SSI for the year 2026 and the other one is for the TSCS for the year 2026. So if you go to this, the complete the eligibility criteria and everything. So these are the different batches eligible, and these are the locations. And for the second post also you can view for the TSCS. So these are the different branches eligible, and the location for this, they have two different open location, and also they have mentioned the stipend for the first year, second, third and the fourth year. So here also you can view for two different roles. So if you go to this document you'll get the clear idea about this. They have mentioned the age criteria, everything. So 32 years is allowed. And then coming to the qualification and all, so here you can see the qualification details. So as mentioned for two different posts, so they have mentioned the eligible branches, and then also qualification is also mentioned. So for the pre-1 SSI 2026, for this minimum 2 years of post qualification experience is needed, so in the field of electronic and electrical systems. For the pre-1 TSCS, for this also minimum 2 year of post qualification in the field of electronics, electrical, so including electronic or the embedded systems. So these are the eligibility criteria and details, and the last date to apply for this, so it is the 4th of July 2026. So make sure you apply for this before the deadline. And so here they have mentioned everything, so about the certification and also the documents needed. So please go to this so that you'll get the clear idea about like what all documents you need to submit. And the fee structure, the application fee is that it is 472 like 400 plus 18% GST for this role, that is project engineer 1. And the candidates like PWBD, SC and the ST categories, they are exempted. So for them it is the application fee is nil for that, like they don't need to pay any of the fees. So this is basically for the other categories apart from this, the general merit and all. So these are the complete details about this particular recruitment. So to apply you just need to go with this official link. Anyways, the link will be provided in the video description. So here you can choose any of based on your eligibility criteria. So you can click, in order to apply you need to click on OK. Then here you can view the login page. So you can see it is for the BEL, that is Bangalore complex, and for the recruitment 2026, and the post you are applying is for the project engineer 1 for the pre-1 SSI 2026. So if you are a fresh candidate you need to click and you just need to create the login. If you already have the account with the BEL, you directly need to click on like click here, you can just log in if you have logged in, and you just need to complete the process. So make sure you go to this document. So anyways you can download this document from the official link of the BEL recruitment. So you can download from there. Anyways the link will be provided, so you can just download from there. You can go to the eligibility criteria and everything. If you are eligible you can choose the code, like as mentioned, they have two different codes. For the pre one SSI and the other one TSCS, so you can choose any one and you can just apply, and make sure you apply before the July 4th. So the July 4th is the last date for applying. Here you can see July 4th is the last date, so make sure you can apply. And here you can view the guidelines in order to apply for this particular role, like they have mentioned the complete guidelines and all. So first step is that you need to log into the BEL website, and you can go to the careers section in the opportunities. So there you can apply with this ID, and then step 1 is that you need to, the new candidate, they need to create the account and they can log in, and the essential documents, make sure it is ready with you. And the step 2 is that if already logged in candidates, they can directly log in and they can complete the process of filling online application form. So action 1 is you need to fill the application form. Then action 2, you need to upload the photo or the signature. Then you can uploading of live photograph using webcam. So you need to upload the live photograph, also the small passport size photograph, and you need to upload the necessary documents whatever they have mentioned. And if you are the general merit or other categories, like whatever they have mentioned, if you are apart from that, you need to make a payment which is the 400 plus 18% of GST, and later you need to enter the details of payment through the SBI Collect. So you can enter the details and you can print the application. And in the step 3, you need to check the application status, and you have to download the admit card for the written test. So these are the complete details. So here they have mentioned each and every step in detail, like once you log in, like what are the details you need to enter, and here they have mentioned the documents needed. So before applying, make sure you have all these documents ready with you. Then so qualification details, everything, and uploading documents and all, and make sure the image it is appropriate with whatever size is mentioned. And here you can see you need to make the payment, that is general category, OBC or EWS 472, and for SC, ST and PWD it is not applicable, so for them it is free. So once you do the payment, make sure you note down the payment reference number, and you can take the printout of that, and further details will be shared to your respective mail ID. So these are the complete details about this hiring. Anyways, the link for this, it will be provided in the description. So if you are eligible, so make sure you register before the deadline, and you can prepare on the same. So do watch the video completely, and if you have any queries or concerns, you can just comment in the video. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.